Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, pharmajobalert.in. So, my dear friends, in this video, we're going to see vacancies from Intas Pharmaceuticals. So, this is a virtual walk-in drive. That is, you don't need to attend to the venue. So, this is virtual. You can attend from your comfort of your home or any place where which is accessible to the internet. So, coming to the positions are executive or senior executive. So, manufacturing DSP qualification is MSc MTech Biotechnology, 2 to 7 years of experience, and minimum experience required is 2 years for all the open positions: research associate, R&D process development, MSc or MTech biotechnology, MSc biochemistry or biotechnology, for executive IPQC. So the date of this virtual interview is 21st February, Tuesday, timings 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So virtual MS Teams. So please apply for your candidature as given a link in the description. So you can apply using the link in the description of the video. So shortlisted candidates will be confirmed with MS Team link. So scan this QR code to get the link, and from there you can apply if there is no link provided in the description of the video. So they are looking for only experienced candidates, so biotech or injectable industry for all the positions. Thank you for watching. So for getting regular job updates like this, if you wish to receive job updates from our side, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell.